Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to read from Oxford Modern English book Primer B प्रेप क्लास की बुक है। आज हम इसका पेज नंबर revision on page number 3 सफ़ा नंबर 3। A. What's the sound of A? A box. Dibba. A dibba. A box. A mango. A window. A window. A window. खिड़की। Now we were going to read from the yellow box. Read, पढ़ना. A cat. A jug. A book. A tree. A man. A woman. A boy. A girl. A desk. A fish. A wall. A zoo. अभी हम जो है एंड के साथ जो है वो पढ़ेंगे। An apple. An apple. An orange. An orange. An elephant. An elephant. Read, पढ़ें। An X. An ear. An egg. An igloo. An arm. An ant. An insect. An owl. An arrow. An elbow. An eagle. An umbrella.